bad valve, so it only wants to start on one cylinder. So to get it going, I had to put a drill with a socket on here to help the starter get it spinning quick enough to crank it off. So the head's got to come off for a valve job, but yeah, other than that,